Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Chapter 14 India marches ahead. Question number 1. When did India achieve independence? Answer option B 1947. Question number 2. Who is quoted in the chapter introduction saying, once more the world must be conquered by the India? Answer option C Swami Vivekananda. Question number 3. Who was the spiritual leader of Tibet mentioned in the text? Answer option B Dalai Lama. Question number 4. In which year was Tibet annexed by China? Answer option B 1950. Question number 5. When did a revolt break out in Tibet against the People's Republic of China? Answer option C 1959. Question number 6. Who was the leader of China who accused India of interfering in China's internal affairs during the Tibet crisis? Answer option C Mao Zedong. Question number 7. In 1960, China published a map claiming over how many square kilometers of Indian land? Answer option D 1,20,000. Question number 8. On what date did China launch a full-scale attack all along the India-China border? Answer option B 20th October 1962. Question number 9. Rifleman Jaswant Singh Rawat served in which battalion? Answer option C 4th Battalion of the Garhwal Rifles. Question number 10. How many enemy soldiers is Jaswant Singh Rawat believed to have eliminated using a seized medium machine gun MMG? Answer option C 300. Question number 11. Which award was posthumously awarded to Jaswant Singh Rawat? Answer option B Mahavir Chakra. Question number 12. Which two primary locations were involved in the Indo-China War of 1962? Answer option C Aksai Chin and NEFA. Question number 13. What was the outcome of the 1962 Indo-China War? Answer option B Chinese victory. Question number 14. In August 1965, Pakistan launched a guerrilla infiltration mission in Jammu and Kashmir. What was its code name? Answer option C Operation Gibraltar. Question number 15. Approximately how many militants disguised as local Kashmiris were sent into Indian territory during Operation Gibraltar? Answer option C 30,000. Question number 16. What was the name of the operation Pakistan launched on 1st September 1965 to capture Aharnoor? Answer option B Operation Grand Slam. Question number 17. Where did India cross the international border to launch a counterattack in 1965, threatening to capture Lahore? Answer option D Wagah. Question number 18. Who was the Prime Minister of India during the 1965 Indo-Pakistan War? Answer option C Lal Bahadur Shastri. Question number 19. On what date was the Tashkent Declaration signed? Answer option B 10th January 1966. Question number 20. Who mediated the Tashkent Agreement between India and Pakistan? Answer. Option C. Soviet Premier Alexei Kosygin. Questions for you. Question number 1. Who was the leader of Pakistan during the Kargil War? Question number 2. On what day did the Indian Army declare Operation Vijay a complete success? Question number 3. What made the Kargil War unique compared to the previous Indian conflict? Answer in your comment box.